Funko Pop addicts, it's your boy Delz, and welcome to a brand new episode. Got some new pops in from Entertainment Earth, and I'm so happy to finally have this in the collection. Bang! We got Big Boy from Bob's Big Boy. This is really a historic piece because back in the days when they were starting off, Funko, this was like one of their first jobs right here, working with this brand and putting out the bobbleheads, and now they have the Funko Pop. So, you know, being that I love Funko so much, I wanted to have this for the actual collection. So, hit that thumbs up button if you want to see this out of the box, because I know not everyone likes to take them out the box, but I sure do. So without further ado, let's take Big Boy out the box. There's a close-up look at Big Boy, Bob's Big Boy right there. There's a side profile with his belly hanging out. There's a look at his back. And there's a look at his other side. Looks like Deadpool's looking at him up to no good. Let me know what you think of this pop. Is this a must pick up or not? Leave down in the comment box. And I will put more information, of course, in the description box below if you're looking for this pop. And just to compare him to another pop to see how high he is, there is DMC. I still wish I had Run, but I am not paying what the flippers are asking for. I think it's over like $200. I remember when I got DMC, I got it as a gift with a pair of Adidas sneakers. Adidas sent me a pair of shoes and threw him in. And I was like super hype about it, but and I always wanted Run, but I never would see him in any of the stores, so, you know. Once again, I'm not paying no $200. Call me cheap. I don't think I'm cheap. I think that's just crazy. Again, back to Bob. How you doing? And there you go with a close-up HD look at Big Boy right here. Let me know what you think of this pop, and let me know what you're looking to pick up next. I will link in the description box below. Once again, this Funko Pop, which I feel like if you really love Funko so much, it's just cool to have in the collection, a must-have. So that will be linked in the description box below. Other new pickups that I did get 3 out of the 5. Well, there's actually 6. There's a Target exclusive of Little Shop of Horrors. I feel like these are must-haves, and I actually rewatched the movie yesterday, and I never knew they released the movie with a new original ending, which was really crazy. It was not a happy ending, and I was just so bugged out watching it yesterday, but man, it was super crazy. If you haven't seen it since back in the days, like early 90s, the 80s, you got to watch it now because it's so different at the end. They give you this alternate ending where there's no happy ending. And I was just like, holy shit, this is crazy right here. So it's definitely worth watching the newer version. I think it released in 2012. I was looking into it after because I was so blown away. But this one to me is the must-have with the baby Audrey 2. It looks like the plant's dying right before he starts giving Audrey 2 blood from his finger. And if you're a diehard, you got to get them all, of course. But that is available. I will link that in the description box below. Plus prints. Can't forget prints. There's 3 different versions available right now. That also will be linked in the description box below. These are all pops I feel like are must-have. So, you know, it doesn't mean that it has to be a must-have for you, but I'm just trying to help you guys out, let you know what's out there. There's pre-orders also available on the new Predator Funko Pops, including 2 new chases. So you have the chance, 1 out of 6 chance to get the chases. And I feel like ordering online, you have a good chance of getting the chase. So definitely all that will be, as I said, linked in the description box below. There'll be a whole list for your convenience. What I am looking for, I'm looking for the Audrey 2 chase. I have to have that to the collection. So if you see it, even if you're not into Funko Pop, Little Shop of Horrors, please pick it up for me. We'll work something out, trades, whatever you want to do, let me know, because I have to get that for the collection. I'm also looking for some older pops. I'm looking for Gus with his face blown off. That is a pop that I slept on. I always was like, oh, I'll get it, and I never got it. So if you have one and you want to do trades, hit me up on that one. Plus, I'm looking for the metallic Thanos. That's another one I'm looking for. Also, the Andre the Giant Funko Pop and the Macho Man Funko Pop. Those are some pops that I'm looking for right now. So if you have those, or if there's anything else that you have that you think I may be interested in, hit me up over on my Instagram at Delz Toy Show with what you got, and we'll see what we could do from there. Delz Toy Show on Instagram. DELZ Toy Show. Alright, thanks for tuning into today's episode. Please bang that thumbs up button if you haven't already. Subscribe if you're new, if you love this kind of content. And check out yesterday's video, definitely, because I do an unboxing and I get up close and show you what's in the box, baby. Thanks for tuning in. Much love. We out.